When you add flourishes to your words, there are certain parts of the letters and areas of the words as a whole that give you the best opportunity for adding flourishes. So let's go over the 5 best areas for adding flourishes to your letters and words. The first place is the ascending stem loop. So we're going to use the word thank you as an example. And this word has 2 ascending stem loops. So this is going to be our first place to add flourishes. So ascending stem loops go above the header line and are taller than the rest of your letters. The next spot is descending stem loops, and these go below the baseline. And these are in letters like Y and G and J. So we have both of our types of stem loops. The ascending and descending are great for adding flourishes. The next place you can add flourishes is in the middle of a word. So in the word thank, we would be able to add flourishes in these letters that are in the middle of the word, and these would go below the baseline as well. Okay, and then the fourth place is at the end of the word. So here the letter U is the last letter in this phrase, so that's another spot that we could add a flourish at the end of a word or the end of a line. And then lastly, we have the crossbar of the T. So there are lots of ways that you can embellish the crossbar. Okay, so these are the top 5 places you can add flourishes to your letters and your words: the ascending and descending stem loops, at the middle or the end of the word, and the crossbar of a T.